Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to the Casey family. So in today's video, we will be reviewing this electric makeup brush cleaner. I usually use this makeup brush cleaning mat. I got this from a beauty box a few years ago, and I use these regular shampoo to wash my brushes. It's so effective. It gets all the dirt and makeup off. You don't need no special designed solution to clean your makeup brushes. Just use regular shampoo and you're good to go. Or you can use like dishwashing soap or something, get the grease and stuff off. Now for the actual package. So this here is a brush cleaner and dryer. So it's pretty much like a makeup it's like a washer dryer for your makeup brushes. In the box just comes the actual machine, the manual, and a type C USB cable. Forgive my voice, but your girl has a cold and her throat hurts so bad, so please forgive me. So the parts that detach for this item, it's just the washing barrel part and the lids for both the dryer and the barrel. The buttons are in front. It's more like a touchpad. It doesn't have like actual buttons that you press. Yeah, you have to get a adapter to use the item. And also some of the brushes you'll have to take the lid off to fit it. Others like concealer, smudger, eyeliner, spoolie brushes you can just stick in from the top, but like powder brushes, foundation brushes, blush brushes, you would have to take the lid off to get that fixed. Now this machine was irritating. You see, when they say stick to what you know, it's true, because now I was influenced by all the influencers from TikTok, Instagram, and all of them who are trying this electric cleaner. Added to my cart, procrastinated. To my surprise, my brother present me for Christmas the exact same one I had in my cart, and I was excited. I was so excited to use it until it decides to stress me out. This thing was stressing me out. It was really irritating. It was a very tedious and irritating process. It was not starting. I started to eliminate brushes. It still was not starting. I was like, what is going on? I was getting so worked up, and I thought it was malfunction. I was like, it's not working. But it was working. It's just very irritating. I looked at the manual. I keep repeating the process. It was not. Eventually it did start. After me taking the whole washing part off, ensuring that everything is well grooved, I took the washing part off and the stuff started to spin. So I was confused. I was like, what's happening? But it worked. So if I'm to rate this, I would give it like a 4 out of 5, 4.5 out of 5. Because why? Why do you have to stress me out to start? Not only that, after I get it to start, I had to hold some of my brushes in my hands because I was so afraid that if I stick them in, it wouldn't work. But I did eventually stick them in. It did work. It worked. It did its job. After 5 minutes, my brushes were clean, because it takes 5 minutes to clean your brushes. But it was tedious. So in my personal opinion, I wouldn't invest in this. Maybe it's just this brand, but I wouldn't invest in this. I would more invest in a cleaning mat. I would try and link a cleaning mat down below, and I will also link the electric cleaner. You purchase at your own will. Maybe do research and buy a different brand, but yeah, stick to what you know. You know, like some people when they buy a washer and they don't know how to operate it, and then everybody's like, yeah, your clothes don't wash clean in washers. Wash your clothes in your hand. Yeah, I know we all like the convenience of doing other things, because that was my thing too. Like, let's just have the cleaner. You put the brushes in, your brushes are cleaning, and you could do something else. Yeah, no. I'm gonna stick to my mat. I mean, I have it, so I'll use it every now and then, but I will stick to my mat. Definitely will. So you guys can see the brush is clean. I did get it. You gotta like use smaller brushes. You definitely cannot use big brushes in there, at least more than one big brush. But you can definitely use smaller brushes. See, the makeup is there. But your girl just went back to her Old Faithful and cleaned the remaining of her brushes. I didn't have much, but I just cleaned the remaining of my brushes because it was late at night. I wasn't about the stress, and I just wanted to get this over with. And as you can see, not much effort, and the brush was clean. Now let's talk about the this part. It is so loud. So loud. The drying part has 2 times, a 5 hour and a 2 hour. I set it at 2 hours. I aired, so I just shoved all my brushes in, so none dried within the 2 hour. But I would definitely rate that part of the machine like a 5 out of 10. So yeah, the brushes that were not there dried, and yeah, don't waste your money and purchase this. So thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye now.